Hi, my name is Fairmont Shore with Sophia LaBelle. Today I'm going to go over step by step applying hair Botox Rejuvenax. It comes from the word rejuvenate. It actually brings your hair back to healthy level, and in addition to protecting, it actually repairs it. So Rejuvenax hair Botox is not in addition to Brazilian keratin treatment. It is in replacement. So you do save money and you get extra additional vitamins in your hair like vitamin E, vitamin B5, caviar extract, minoid oil from Tahiti Island, sunflower extract, argan oil. Our Brazilian keratin treatment is already great, and hair Botox is now developed to repair your hair in addition to protect. Here we got our beautiful model, Baharek. She's going to help me to go over the step-by-step applying the treatment so you can see how it's done. All right, now the next step would be washing the hair. What it does is, with clarifying shampoo that we have here, made by Sophia LaBelle, it's very similar to the shampoo that you use at home. It's not recommended when you get the treatment to be used, but before that, the reason we use it is to open up the cuticles. If this is a hair strand under microscope, it opens up. Now, when we go back, the product actually, the treatment goes and sits in between cuticles, and when we seal it at the end, it stays in and it gets embedded. I'm gonna wash Baharek's hair, and you're gonna see it. We're gonna do it twice. Every time I'm gonna leave the shampoo on her hair about 7 to 8 minutes. All right, this is the second shampooing, and again, it opens up the cuticles in the hair, makes the hair available for the product to go in to the cuticles and stay there. And when we flat iron at the end, you'll see that it seals it. And she's done at the end. So this is the second shampoo, and you're gonna relax for a while. Okay. All right, after washing the hair, the next step is blow drying it 100% dry before applying Rejuvenax hair Botox. And here we go. All right, now hair is 100% dry as it's supposed to be, so it can take the product in very well. The cuticles are all wide open, and we're gonna go for the next step, which is applying the hair Botox. As a reminder, hair Botox Sophia LaBelle products Rejuvenax is anti-aging. So if you as a client, if you highlight, color, bleach, blow dry, flat iron, if you have any damages done by chemical like relaxer, Japanese straightener, or perm, is the best product for you. It is in replacement of Brazilian keratin treatment if you want it to be. And it rejuvenates and revives the hair back to a healthy level. So I'm gonna go ahead and section Baharek's hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the hair Botox. And in this case, it happened to be L3, level 3, and it lasts 3 to 5 months, 3 to 6 months approximately. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and section the hair to apply the products. Because of the fact that the hair Botox is air sealed, we have to extract it with syringe. And just for your information, it does remove the frizz, it does make the hair silky, shiny. It does make it easier, much more manageable for you if you're getting this treatment, to have your hair dry much faster when you come out of the shower. In addition, we have other hair Botox in 3 different levels. As I mentioned before, they can be mixed, almost like a laboratory, to have a different variations of over 20 different variations can be extracted out of these 3 different levels. Right now we're going with L3, the most popular one, the best seller. Rejuvenax hair Botox was just extracted from the vial, as you saw, and now I am ready to apply the product on the hair. Now that I applied Rejuvenax Hair Botox, this next step would be for me to blow dry it 100% dry for the second time, and we're going to get it prepared. Now that I blow dried the hair and I sectioned it, hair is ready for me to flat iron to seal the product in and activate the Rejuvenax Hair Botox. As you can see, the last step is finished, flat ironing her hair. Rejuvenax Hair Botox is sealed in and her hair is much healthier, shiny, silky, frizz-free. And the good benefits out of this is that she doesn't have any waiting period. Within 24 hours, she can wash her hair, she can swim, she can sweat, she can go to the gym, she can put her hair behind her ears. Everything is sealed in. More importantly, it is protected and it is repaired. And she can expect it to last 3 to 6 months. For more information, you can go to our website, view other hair Botoxes that are designed for different lifestyles and different hair textures. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us for free consultations. And thank you for being our beautiful model. You're welcome.